Hi guys, I am Punya Agarwal, ACCA affiliate, co-founder of Being ACCA. In this video, I'll help you out to understand that when should you start preparing for your next ACCA paper since March attempt is now over. Now, I would say since, yesterday only the exams got over, I hope they went good for you all. Now, I would say that, as somebody who is a full-time ACCA student, I think your priority is already set, right? You know that you will be appearing for June attempt either for one paper, either for two paper, etc. So I think your priority right now, of course, take your break, have relax, because of course these 1.5 2 months were very crucial for you. You would have worked really hard for the paper. So I would say that relax, take a week off. I would say week is enough, I think, because when I also used to appear for the papers, I used to take 1 week or 2 weeks off. So that is, I think, that should also, you should also take that, because again mind needs the refreshing, right? So take that off. And when you're taking that off, when you're not studying anything else for the June attempt, you're not preparing, you're just relaxing, etc., also keep thinking that what paper shall you go ahead with next. So that should be your first thing that you are doing. So firstly, if you have appeared any of the papers, think of what paper should you attempt next. We will also be coming up with a video for that to just guide you as to what paper shall you take up next for your June attempt. So stay tuned for that as well. But just to tell you that you should start thinking what paper to appear for next. Second thing would be that once you have thought that okay, I'll be taking double A in June attempt, for example, then start searching for the resources as in, if you think that you want to enroll some classes, so go on to like check out the best tutors for the classes, ask them their details, etc. So do your research, I would say, and research about the resources also, like the kits, the books, the study hub, the videos. If you're not thinking of enrolling for any classes, how would you do the self study, what is the paper all about? So just do a little bit of background research about what paper that you have thought of. So if you have thought of double A, just think about what all things you need to in order to start for that paper. Okay, that's the second thing. Then the third thing is execution. Now you know about the paper, that okay, paper is very similar to FR, this is what is all it covers, these are the resources, this is my tutor that I finalized. So everything is sorted. Now is the time of execution. So when should you start preparing for the next paper is, I would say, technically, if you are a full-time ACCA student, start after a week, I would say. Do not delay, because again, right now, see, my strategy is very, very simple, that if you start early, you would not have to give 5 6 7 8 hours to your preparation, right? You would just give 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour maximum a day, and you're good to go for the final paper. So you do not have to give long hours in order to complete the syllabus, do the practice, etc., right? So that is the same thing that I also used to follow, that I did not wait for a couple of months, for a month to get over and then start my studying. So it's always better that we start as soon as possible. So similarly, for the people who are probably working, have something else on the plate, are doing bachelor's, master's, whatever, and you people, again, becomes a little difficult, of course, to manage ACCA with other things as well. So again, plan accordingly, do the planning accordingly, that for example, April is your busy period at your workplace. Okay, so in March you can cover 30-40% of the syllabus, then you can give 10% in the month of April. So similarly, you can plan accordingly. So again, for the people who have something else also with ACCA, not just that, I would say, again, start your preparation early. That's the key to be able to have that relaxing mind even in the last month of the paper, right? So that is a quick tip, because the earlier that you start, it becomes really easy for you to, even if on some days that you do not feel like studying, it's absolutely fine, because you have already been consistent, started early. It will really help you for the preparation. That's that. And one last thing I would want to say, that a lot of students believe that shall we start with the preparation of our next paper after the results have come, for example, for March attempt. I would say a big no. You should not wait for 1.5 months. You're wasting such a crucial time in thinking that okay, I'll start after the results. Why do you need to start after the results? There are two things that can happen. Either you will pass. So again, if you have passed the paper, it will be really easy for you now, because now you only have to take up one paper, and Jiska, you have already done most of the syllabus, right? right? I would say 50-60% of the syllabus is already done till the results come. That's one thing. Second thing is, you are thinking, you're anticipating that I might not be able to clear it, I might fail it, right? In that case scenario, if you have started earlier, right, till 15th of April, you'll already be done with 50-60% of the paper of the syllabus. For example, you gave FR in March attempt, and now you're preparing for AA, okay? And in AA, you, till your results came, which was 15th of April, you're already done with 60% or 50% of the syllabus, right? So now, and in FR, you unfortunately were not able to clear. So then you can actually pick up these two papers together and appear them in the June attempt. So it will really help you, because you're already done with 50% of the syllabus of AA, and again, you are done with the syllabus of FR also. You just need the practice for FR and syllabus completion of AA, and I think you will be good to go, provided you are a full-time ACCA student. If you're not, then you can again decide upon the paper that you want to go and attempt in June attempt. So that was my quick tip, I would say. So I would say, in the last, I would say, start as soon as you can, be consistent, and do not wait for the results. So that's all. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and all the best for your June attempt.